So we're out here at the property today, trying to finish up putting insulation underneath the building, which I can see we've got some work to do to get this stuff pushed back up in here. We've still got to get it stapled up and everything else. We're just putting standard insulation under the floor before we move the building. As you can see, we've got an awful lot to do. And hopefully we'll be able to get this building moved come next week. We've got that much of it done. I still need to put the vapor barrier underneath it. So I got a lot of work to get done today and tomorrow. Yep, lots of work. Oh. I've already got a bunch of it cut up over here to start putting under it. All right, well, let's get busy.
Underground. We see you, Dada. Dad, we really see you. We really see you, Dad.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't know how.
We're looking down below. Can you see us?
Uh-huh.
Claustrophobic for you.
But you gotta remember one thing. This is the one part I'd rather do the blown cellulose, but I did this. Also did this under houses and stuff that were where you're competing with the rats and everything else.
Yes.
At least here I ain't fighting with the rats.
You want to explain what you've done under here?
Not really. I don't have a clue what I've done.
Okay, so you've put in pink insulation.
The regular fiberglass vat insulation.
And now you're covering it with reflective Reflectix insulation, bubble foam. And then you're doing this, you're taping the seam.
All the joints.
Gross. Yay for dirt.
What's that?
Did yay for dirt in your mouth?
Another meaning for dirty mouth.
Dirty mouth? Clean it up. Wish I had my Trident out here. I'd give you a piece of Trident. We could do a Trident commercial. Dirty mouth? Clean it up.
Is that a rock?
I would have been really angry if you.
Huh?
I would have been really angry if you would have hit me in the head with that.
No, we're gonna damage the rock, baby.
As we finish this beautiful day, Mike's still underneath the house putting in Reflectix, and Beans just wanted to have a little fun. It turned out to be a beautiful day, 82 degrees or more, which for up here we've been waiting a long time for. Since last week it was in the 20s, 30s. For me it was cold. So we're excited that the weather is getting warmer, so I can start putting my garden in, and we can get the house insulated, and then we'll be able to drop it to the ground. So here we go.